Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy tutorial to fix bug inventory in Minecraft, including issues where items disappear or shift click stops working. Before we begin, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, make sure to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's make this video work. So I made this guide to walk you through the most common fix step by step. I'll go over each one. It's displayed on the screen right over here, so it won't be really confusing. So step 1, restart your Minecraft completely. Temporary glitches can sometimes cause inventory problems, and a fresh restart may fix the issue. Step 2, check for game updates. Open the Minecraft launcher and make sure you're running the latest version, as updates often include bug fixes. Step 3, if you're using mods, shaders, or add-ons, disable them temporarily and test the game again. A conflicting mod is one of the most common causes of inventory bag or even a lot of glitches. So step 4, try loading a new vanilla world without any mods or plugins. If the inventory works normally there, the problem is likely with the one of your mods or your world or your server. Step 5, right over here. If you're playing on a multiplayer server, check whether the issue happens on the other servers too. Some server plugins can cause inventory glitches, including disappearing items or broken shift click. Step 6. Go ahead and repair your verify or your game files using the Minecraft launcher. Reinstall unencrypted game components. Alright, right over here, just go ahead and copy the steps right over here. Step 7. Make sure your Minecraft has enough RAM allocated, especially if you're playing with the mods. Too little memory can lead to unexpected bugs and lag. Step 9. Reset your controls to default settings. If shift click isn't working, the key binding may have been changed or conflicted with another setting. If none of these previous methods works, reinstall Minecraft. This is the final step and can resolve issues caused by damaged game files. Also remember to back up your worlds before making major changes. Keep your graphics drivers and Java version up to date. Only download mods from trusted sources. That's it. One of those solutions should help fix the bug inventory issue in Minecraft. If this guide helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Minecraft tutorials. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.